How to find the recycle bin or trash bin on Android 14, let's jump on in. In Android 14, the trash bin or recycle bin feature can typically be found in the file management app, which is usually called Files or My Files. However, the exact location and name of the trash bin might vary slightly depending on the device manufacturer and the specific version of the file management app. So the best way for you to find that is to first of all browse through your applications right here and see if you can find an app that is called Files or My Files. In my case, for example, on this Samsung Galaxy phone right here, the My Files application can be found here in this Samsung folder right here. So when I tap on that, we have the My Files app right here. If you cannot find it like this, it's a good idea to use the global search function on your phone. So on top, tap on search. You might also have a magnifying glass icon somewhere in order to search your phone. And then once you have that, search for files. You should then be able to find your file management app. As mentioned before, it's usually called either Files or My Files. Once you found that, tap on it. And you should then be able to find the trash bin or recycle bin in here. In my case, for example, it is located here at the very bottom under trash. So when I tap on it, the trash bin will open up. Any files or folders you delete will stay in the trash bin for 30 days before they're deleted forever. So if you would like to bring back some files that you deleted earlier on, then the trash bin on Android is your place to go. And this is how you find the trash bin or recycle bin on Android 14. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Android tutorials.